I made an order from Walmart, but I got a box from Funko. It's just a little damaged, but let's see what's inside this box. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, pack this slip out of the way. All right, let's see what I have. Oh, amazing. Okay, let's see. And this one here. And that one there. And you've got to be kidding me. What the crap? No. Oh, come on. All right, so here's what my my order says. That I ordered 10. Oh. Where's the Slimer? I ordered 5 of each. Oh, man. And luckily they just threw them into a box. Speaking of throwing a box. That's all bent up. Funko, Walmart. So what I had originally ordered was 5 of these Stay Puft Angry Marshmallow Man. Oh my goodness. And yeah, I ended up with 10. And I wanted 5 Slimer. But I ended up with 10. Oh, this is gonna be an adventure trying to process this with them. And it looks like I only have one box that's bent. That's not bad. So I want to return this one for a Slimer. I want a glow-in-the-dark Slimer. But one thing we can say, they are all black stems. There's a few pink stem ones going out there. This one here, all black stem. There they are, in all of their glory. Yeah, I'm not liking this Funko Pop thing either. So until next time... Oh, wait a minute! Wait a minute! Peter's here! It's time to party! Ha ha!